Good morning. How are you? Super hot today, but I am so excited because I am going to make Monja-yaki today with my friend in my friend's house. And this Monja-yaki is from Japan, so I can show you how to cook. They can make amazing monja at home. I will teach you how to do it so you can do it at home as well and then feel Japan.
なんでそこにね、女子たちの手伝いするいやつや、入れちゃった今多分これ飲んだら濡れちゃったみたいな。
We in the supermarket, it said okonomiyaki corner, and then obviously, okay, it's not obvious for you. You can find not only for okonomiyaki, there is a takoyaki, chijimi, and then here it is. This is for monja powder. So you can just have this one, but I know that there may be some country you cannot find it. Then you can find this cake flour. This one you can find it anywhere. And of course cabbage, just like okonomiyaki, you need to have this one. And Worcestershire sauce, in Japan we call Worcester sauce. And tempura bits. And seasoned cod roll. This is really good with rice. And here we have rice cake. You don't have to have it, but it's really good to have it with seasoned cod roll. And red pickled ginger. I love this one. You don't have to have it, but you should have it. This one, like umaibo. We call umaibo, Japanese snack. And crispy noodle snack. You don't have to have it. And I forgot, we have to have cheese as well. I forgot to show. And I don't know, I found guru-guru monja. It's like a snack, and then you just need hot water. So if you don't want to make it, buy this one. Anyway, let's get started. And as you can see, today we have a little assistance, a little boy and then girl. They are my friends' kids. They are so cute, and then they are going to help and to tell you how to make it. Anyway, I will put the subtitles, and if you have any questions, just put the comment below, and then maybe I can answer you as much as I can. But I didn't cook, but I know how to cook. Okay, trust me.
お好み焼きみたいなもん。
お好み焼きみたいなもんだよ。
なんか
卵混ぜてじゃあ混ぜる。
よよよよよよ。ジャブジャブプチプチあわあわ。ジャバジャバプチプチあわあわ。ジャバジャバプチプチあわあわ。ジャバジャバプチプチ
こういうアニメが
あわ。
ないんだ。
ジャバジャバプチプチ
めっちゃ可愛い。
じゃあ土台作ります。
はい、土台作ります。はい、土台って言ったんですけど。
流します。
流します。見ててくださいよ。いいよ。こぼし
あ、こぼしてるよ。ダメ出しでも結構細かめ。
皮みたいだ。ドーナツ。
ドーナツみたいだね。
ドーナツだ。それからこれはスープのドーナツ。
スープの
海かこれは川かどっちなんでしょうかね。これから10分ぐらい待ちます。
大丈夫ね。
はい、けあっぱん。
何でも持ってくんじゃん。
ダメ、大ちゃんダメだよ。
アンパン、これでアンパンマンっぽいよ。ほら、アンパンマン。
混ぜまーす。
すごいぞ、これは混ぜてる。
混ぜまーす。
マイク出さなきゃマイク。
あ、これは混ぜてるぞ。すごいぞ。アンパンマン。すごいぞ、これは。
すごいですね。かわいいね。
じゃあ、今の気持ちは。はい、こっちはバイキンマン。
お腹が空いてます。
そうですか。すごい美味しそうですよね。皆さん、作ってみてくださいね。
大ちゃんこれは何？
知らない。
明太子、もちチーズだよ。
明太子もチーズ。
うちもチーズも好きだもんね。
見てください。これで焼いてんですよ。
で伸ばします。
これのすごいですよ。でかさ3倍分ですよ。すごくない？
すごい。みんなすごい。
でも出たさ3倍か。
3 何杯分？
これは
それ何？
トウロモコシです。
トウモロコシ。
はい、これトウロモコシ。
トウロモコシだよね。
ヘラで
ちょっといいですか？質問。どっちが好きですか？スピノサウルス、ドラえもん。どっちが好き？タケコプターだよ。どっちが好きだったかな？はい。ドラえもん43人、スピノサウルス70万人。答えはスピノサウルスでした。じゃあねー。じゃあまたいつか今度。
どこに行ったの？半分目の前、本当に本当に目の前。本当に西口の。
So we end up making 3 different kinds of monja, and then all of them was so good. And look at that, the Japanese snack, we put it as a topping at the end, and red pickles ginger you can put on the side, or if you want you can put it inside. And here's a recipe, just Google it and you can find all the recipes. So you don't have to follow this one, but just, this is one of the things. And you know what? Actually, you can put it anything you find it in the fridge. For example, we put curry and then natto together, and it was so good. Can you believe it? If you know natto, you don't believe it. But anyway, and then the end we did handheld fireworks. That was so fun. Then look at her, she is so cute. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my videos. Sometimes I put in English, like showing around Japan, and most of the times I'm talking about the cruise ship, but in Japanese. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much. Ciao.